Calculations based on titrations. Let us find the concentration of the hydrochloric acid solution in the previous example. We are given the concentration of the NaOH solution. The volume of HCl solution pipetted into a conical flask is measured, hence it is known. The volume of NaOH solution required to neutralize the HCl solution is found through titration. The volume of NaOH needed is 32,5 milliliter. Solution. We first write the balanced chemical equation for the neutralization reaction. The number of moles of NaOH and HCl are equal in the balanced equation. The number of moles of NaOH can be found using the concentration and the volume. Number of moles of NaOH equals concentration of NaOH times volume of NaOH equals 0,2 mole per decimeter cube times 32,5 times 10 to the power negative 3 decimeter cube equals 0,0065 mole. Note here that the volume is converted to decimeter cube from milliliter, since NaOH and HCl react in the ratio 1:1. Number of moles of HCl equals 0,0065 mole. The concentration of the HCl solution can be found using the number of moles and the volume. Concentration of HCl equals number of moles of HCl over volume of HCl equals 0,0065 mole over 50 times 10 to the power negative 3 decimeter cube equals 0,13 molar.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Askmaski.